Welcome back to another video, and in today's video you will get to know about some amazing fact about chameleon. So chameleon is a type of lizard. There are around 160 species of chameleons which can be found mostly on the Madagascar, or you may say half of all species live there. In the Africa, Southern Europe, South Asia and Sri Lanka, some chameleon species are endangered due to habitat loss and destruction and because they are sold as pets. So now let's get deep dive into some interesting facts about chameleon. Chameleon vary in size. Smallest chameleon is Brookesia micara, which reaches 0.6 inches in length. Biggest chameleon is Furcifer australati, which reaches 30 inches in length. Chameleon prefer life in the forest and they adapted to the arboreal locomotion, which means movement in the trees. Their toes are divided in two groups of 2 or 3 toes on each foot, which helps them grab the branch and achieve stability during walking. Chameleon move slowly, using one limb at the time. Chameleons also use their long tail when moving in the trees to grab branch and secure their position to accomplish balance when necessary. Chameleons have unique eyes which can move separately from each other and achieve visual field of 180 degrees, which way chameleon can watch in two different directions at the same time and detect object on the opposite sides. Eyes move rotationally and together provide visual field of 360 degrees. Chameleons have very good eyesight and they are able to detect small insects that are 5 to 10 meters away. They are also able to detect ultraviolet light. Chameleons do not have ear opening or outer ears, but they are not deaf. They can detect sound in the frequency range from 200 to 600 Hz. The best ability known characteristic of chameleon is their ability to change the color of the skin. Most people believe that chameleons change their color to blend in with the environment. Actually, change in color is the result of the mood change when they are angry or aggressive, temperature, light and moisture in their environment. Cells equipped with pigments used for color change are called chromatophores. Another equally impressive feature of chameleon is their long and sticky tongue used for catching of insects. Their tongue can be 1.5 to 2 meters longer than their body, excluding tail. Tongue expands on its end and turn into a suction cup after catching of the insect. Chameleon's tongue is propelled by incredible speed. It takes 0.07 seconds for tongue to reach the victim. Chameleons eats locusts, grasshoppers, crickets, mantis and stick insects. And do you know, males or females do not have look the same. Male usually have more ornaments such as horns, spikes and nasal protrusion. They are used when male defends its territory. Although chameleons are not social animals, they tend to stick together and even to mate more intensively when they are exposed to the ultraviolet light. Chameleon deposits eggs in the nest in the ground. Number of eggs depends on the species and its range from 6 to 24. Times for hatching also varies from 6 months to some species carry eggs in the womb until they hatching. Newly born chameleon look like a miniature version of an adult animal. They are capable for the independent life from the minute they are born. Chameleon can survive more than 10 years in the captivity. And in the end, do you know, chameleon belongs to kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Reptilia, order Squamata, family Chameleonidae. So these were some amazing facts about chameleon. If we missed something, please let us know in the comment section. And for more, do subscribe, like and share this video, and don't forget to leave your beloved comments in the comment section. Until then, goodbye and have a nice day.